Well, another marvellous Four Seasons welcome, including a bottle of wine from Four Seasons in Napa, big partner. And I like the simplicity. I like the oldie-worldy look of the painted boards. It's white and vine root coloured, really. It's one of 4 in Villa 1, and if you take the whole villa, then you get 2 up and 2 down. This is one of the up ones. After a long drive, I must say, I'm exhausted. I feel like getting into the tub straight away, into the wet room. But I mustn't. I've got to finish making this for you, and I've got to see what messages I've got, because I'm quite sure I shall probably have a lot. There's a proper desk with sockets either end that have USBs in them and USCs. Oh, the blessings of something this new. What a great headboard. A piece of wood. Oh boy, that's marvellous. And a stool at the base of the bed. Very good for opening the suitcase. Interesting bedside lights. Drapes that you can actually pull across. And that brings me to the outside, because look at my view. This is what I'm going to wake up to tomorrow morning. Here in Calistoga, California.